Hello, welcome to Service Class with GB Audio. I've got a Hitachi VHS player on the bench today. It's an M830. It's an old piece of kit, not very good for making recordings anymore, but I've got some old family tapes that I want to digitize, so I want to get this working. The problem I've got here is that the machine won't load. So I'm going to investigate this. Let's have a look and see what's going on. First thing we need to do, of course, is disconnect the mains for safety. Then we can flip the player over. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that we need to remove. So let's do that now. With the 4 screws and the feet removed, we can then lift up the bottom panel and unhook it from the back. And we can see the cause of the problem is this broken drive belt here that runs between the motor pulley and the door opening mechanism at the back. Now, because it's snapped rather than just gone saggy, we can use a ruler to measure it in a straight line. And there it's coming in at 217 millimeters. We can now check it against the chart here, and we see that the closest match is belt 105, which is 215 millimeters long, and we can order it from the online store here, or by phone or by email. There's a link down below. Hook the belt around the door pulley and around the motor pulley. Here's a closer shot of that. With all the screws back in. Now we just need to reconnect the power source, and we'll be able to load the VHS tape, have it playing, and eject correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe down below. If you need parts, there's a link below too. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing your own machine.